Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in relationship advice and sexual health. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: the benefits of using condoms. So, grab a seat, sit back, and let's dive right into it. Here are the top points of the benefit of using condoms that every couple needs to know. Using condoms provides a crucial barrier against sexually transmitted infections or STIs. Another significant benefit of using condoms is the prevention of unplanned pregnancies. Condoms can actually enhance pleasure and comfort during intimate moments. Today's condoms are designed with advanced technology to provide a natural feel, maximizing sensitivity for both partners. They also come in various sizes, shapes, and textures. Condoms can be discreetly carried in a wallet or purse, plus they are incredibly simple to use. Just tear open the package, unroll onto the erect penis, and you are good to go. Lastly, using condoms demonstrates mutual responsibility and trust within a couple. It shows that you care about your partner's well-being and are invested in maintaining a healthy, fulfilling relationship.